Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant, I cook plants, I'm an educator and a vegan. Today we're going to learn how to make vegan Caesar salad dressing. Take a moment to gather these wet ingredients from your pantry, as well as these dry ingredients, and then we can get started. To start the base, use 4 tablespoons of unsweetened almond yogurt. Follow that with the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the tablespoon of white vinegar, teaspoon of lemon juice, teaspoon of malt vinegar, as well as the teaspoon of molasses. Add the 2 cloves of garlic with the ½ ounce of cashews, the ½ ounce of the grated vegan Parmesan, as well as the spice blend you'll see on the left. Don't forget your 1/4 sheet of nori, gotta have the replacement for those anchovies. Then, blend it and shake it until it's thoroughly combined. Use a funnel to put the salad dressing into a dispenser container, and you're ready to give it a shake and put it on your salad. For my salad, I've opted to use a heart of romaine lettuce, as well as topping it with some of my TVP bacon bits. Check out the recipe. A little bit more of the vegan Parmesan, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of the salad dressing. You'll notice that there are fewer calories per 2 tablespoons of the salad dressing, but the sodium content is still a bit high. Nevertheless, this salad dressing is creamy, tangy, and very close to the original. You'll notice here with my other toppings and ingredients, the protein to fat ratio is a bit more balanced. Give the salad dressing a go and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Nutrition and recipes can be found on lessonplantkitchen.com. More tutorials and videos here on YouTube.